Hello dosto, namaste and good morning. You are listening to WMUH Allentown 91.7 FM. Today, June 20th, the time is 8 a.m. and this is your host, Rujula Deshmukh, bringing you yet another edition of the Chankar program, broadcasted every Saturday from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. The programming and personal support is provided by the Indian American Association of the Lehigh Valley. So today's program is inspired by my dad's passion in learning about his favorite music artists and the background of his favorite songs. I did the same for today's program. I will be playing some of Arijit's iconic hits as well as some underrated, unsune hidden gems. So for the first song, a little background. Arijit was on a reality show called Fame Gurukul in 2005 when he was only 18 years old. But after that ended, he worked as a scratch vocalist, which is when he recorded temporary placeholder vocal tracks for composers. So for his first Bollywood song, Mithun actually recorded Arijit's vocals in 2009, but then decided to keep his scratch track and release the song in the movie in 2011. Arijit actually forgot that he had even done this scratch track, and he found out that his version got released when his friend let him know after the song became popular. Hope you enjoy this one.
जब जब तेरे पास मैं आया एक सुकून मिला जिसे मैं था भूलता आया वो वजूद मिला जब आए मौसम गम के तुझे याद किया हो जब सहमे तन्हापन से तुझे याद किया दिल संभल जा जरा फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है तू दिल यही रुक जा जरा फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है तू.
So that song was from the movie Murder 2 from 2011. The lyrics were by Saeed Qaidri and the playback was by Mohammad Irfan, Saim Bhatt and of course Arijit Singh. So before I go on to the next song, thank you Chinmoy uncle for listening in, as well as the Chankar team, Sanjay uncle, Anita auntie, Shimanti auntie and Anu auntie. So for the next song, we're gonna continue with Mithun, and I don't think we can do an Arijit special without a song from Ashiki 2. So the next song is from that movie. The lyrics are by Irshad Kamil and the singers are Arijit as well as Palak Muchal.
Tu mujhe chhod jaye ye nahi ho sakta जिक्र सदा मेरी याद में तेरी फिक्र सदा मैं जो भी हूँ तुम ही तो हो मुझे तुमसे मिली अपनी अदा
क्योंकि तुम ही हो अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो
तुम ही हो तुम ही हो अर्ज़ भी मेरा मर्ज़ भी चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो
So another fun fact, Balak Muchal is actually married to Mithun. So she was the female singer for this song. Yeah, so that's an interesting fact. So the next song is going to be from the movie Shamshera. Again, Mithun, and the lyrics are by Karan Malhotra. The singers are Neeti Mohan, Sudeep Jaipurwala, and continuing with Arijit.
तू छाँव है सो जाऊं मैं तू धुंध है खो जाऊं मैं खो जाऊं
तेरी आवारगी बन जाऊं मैं तुझे दिल की जुबान समझाऊं मैं तू छाँव है सो जाऊं मैं तू धुंध है खो जाऊं मैं तू वो नशा जो सर चढ़े तो आसमानों में उड़ जाऊं मैं तेरा इश्क मेरा फितूर तू जो भी कहे बन जाऊं मैं छाया है यूं तेरा सुरूर जिस रंग कहे रंग जाऊं मैं तेरे नशे में हूँ मैं चूर जिस जोग कहे रम जाऊं मैं तेरा ये इश्क मेरा फितूर तू जो भी कहे बन जाऊं मैं ये इश्क की बारिश हुई मुझको तेरी ख्वाहिश हुई लगता है आज की बेपनाह मोहब्बत की एक नुमाइश हुई
ये इश्क की बारिश हुई मुझको तेरी ख्वाहिश हुई लगता है आज की बेपनाह मोहब्बत की एक नुमाइश हुई ये इश्क की बारिश हुई मुझको तेरी ख्वाहिश हुई लगता है आज की बेपनाह मोहब्बत की एक नुमाइश हुई
So my dad told me another interesting fact about the Blast song. He told me that Mithun is actually the nephew of Pyarelal ji, which is from the music director duo Lakshmikant Pyarelal. And he also told me the previous song that I played was very Lakshmikant Pyarelal style in the chorus and orchestration. So moving on to the next song, It's going to be from the movie Shivai from 2016. The last Mithun song I'll play today, and the lyrics are by Saeed Qadri, and the singers are Sunidhi Chauhan, Mithun, and Aditya Kumar, along with, of course, Arijit.
इस कदर तू मुझे प्यार कर जिसे कभी ना मैं सकूं फिर भुला जिंदगी लाई हमें यहाँ कोई इरादा तो रहा होगा भला
के दरखास्त है ये जो आई रात है ये तू मेरी बाहों में दुनिया भुला दे जो अब लम्हात है ये बड़े ही खास है ये तू मेरी बाहों में दुनिया भुला दे है ये जो आई रात है ये तुम मेरी बाहों में दुनिया भुला दे जो अब लम्हात है ये बड़े ही खास है ये
So, a fun fact about Arijit, even before he started singing, Arijit learned to play tabla, which is why a lot of music directors say he sees music instrumentally and rhythmically before the lyrics. So the next song is going to be from Vishal Shekhar now. It's from the movie Akira from 2016. The lyrics are by Manoj Muntashir. So hope you enjoy this one.
एक रिश्ता है उस रिश्ते का मैं नाम जानू ना एक रास्ता है उस रास्ते का अंजाम जानू ना बस इतना ही है पता कि हो गई है खता मैं खुद का ना रहा मैं पुरजा पुरजा तेरा मैं पुरजा पुरजा तेरा ना आधा पौना तेरा मैं पूरा पूरा तेरा मैं पुरजा पुरजा तेरा मैं पुरजा पुरजा तेरा ना आधा पौना तेरा मैं पूरा पूरा तेरा
आप सुन रहे हो WMUH Allentown 91.7 FM Chankar Show, and the time is 8:29 a.m. The personal support for this program is provided by the Indian American Association of the Lehigh Valley. So, for this program today, if you've been listening, I've been doing an Arijit special. So this is a tribute since he is retired now from the Bollywood industry. So the next song, we're going to do a Pritham song. I don't think we can do an Arijit special without Pritham songs. So a little background, while Arijit was doing scratch vocal tracks, he was also a freelance music programmer and producer working with various composers. Eventually, he joined Pritham's team and helped him supervise chorus sections, programming beats, and arranging tracks. So Arijit recorded rough vocals for Pritham in Fir Le Aaya Dil and Rabta, and Pritham decided to keep them in the final versions of these songs. So the next song, as I mentioned, is going to be Rabta. So there's a lot of versions of this song. This is one of the versions that I like. The movie is Agent Vinod from 2012. And the lyrics are by Amitabh Bhattacharya, and the singers are Hamsika Iyer and Joy Bari.
बेवजह सी जिंदगी में जीने की वजह लेके खोया था समंदरों में तन्हा सफीना मेरा साहिलों पे आया है तू जाने किस तरह लेके फैली थी सियाह रातें आया तू सुबह लेके बेवजह सी जिंदगी में जीने की वजह लेके खोया था समंदरों में तन्हा सफीना मेरा साहिलों पे आया है तू जाने किस तरह लेके कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता अब क्या है कहना हमको है रहना जन्नतें भुला के तेरी बाहों में पनाह लेके फैली थी सियाह रातें आया तो सुबह लेके बेवजह सी जिंदगी में जीने की वजह लेके
तकदीर का जैसे कोई इशारा मिला
रूठी हुई ख्वाहिशों ने थोड़ी सी सुलह लेके
Thank you, Gauri Auntie and Tushar Uncle, for letting me know that you're listening and hope you enjoyed your favorite song. So the next song is going to be from the movie Bhool Bhulaiya 2 from 2022. We're continuing with Pritham, and the lyrics are by Samir, and this is Arijit's version of this iconic song.
আমি যে তোমার শুধু যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার শুধু যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার मेरी चाहते तो फिजा में बहेगी जिंदा रहेगी होके फना আমি যে তোমার শুধু যে তোমার sa ga ma da da ni da ma ga da ni sa ga ma ni da ma ga sa ga ma da ni sa ni da ni da ni da ni da da ni da ni da ni da ni da ga ma da ni da ma ga ma da ni da ma ga ma ga ma ga ni sa ni da ni da ni sa da da ni sa sa ga ga ma da sa sa ga ma da da ni 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 da ma ga ma da ni da ni da ma ga ma da ni da ni da ni sa ga ma da ni da ni da ma ga ma ga ni sa ni sa ga ma da ni da ni da ma ga ma ga ni sa ni sa da ni sa ga ga ni sa da ga ga ma ma sa da ga ga ma ma da ga ga ma ma da ni ma ma da ni da 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 ni sa da আমি যে তোমার
Yeah, so I was about to say, but also Anu Aunty mentioned from the Jhankar team that Shreya Ghoshal is also saying this song and has sang the Bengali version of the song as well. So moving on to the next song, continuing with Pritham, the next song is going to be from the movie Shehzada 2023. And the lyrics are by Shlok Lal and IP Singh. And the singers along with Arijit is Nikita Gandhi.
सीने विच यारा गल्ला तेरियां करे छिड़खानियां है मिठी मिठी तेरी साडे दिल नू लगे शैतानियां है सीने विच यारा गल्ला तेरियां करे छिड़खानियां है ओ मिठी मिठी तेरी साडे दिल नू लगे शैतानियां है
सारे रज के देखो आए सज के जगमग जुगम सहर दिल हथ धड़का हाँ ओ छत टप के मुंडे आए कब के तू भी रात नु जला दे छन बन के निकल जा ओ बर्बाद है जो गुजरा ना पल तेरे साथ है ओ मित्र मेरे सब छोड़ के जो पकड़ा यूं तूने मेरा हाथ है मैं लुटे खड़े खड़े सीने विच यारा गल्ला तेरियां करे छेड़खानियां है मिठी मिठी तेरी साडे दिल नू लगे शैतानियां है ओ सीने विच यारा गल्ला तेरियां करे छेड़खानियां है ओ मिठी मिठी तेरी साडे दिल नू लगे शैतानियां है सच्ची मैं कहा मैंने मांगी है दुआ मेरे अपनों के सपनों को रब पूरा करवा हाँ, हर सांस में करूं मैं तेरी ही तरफदारी वे ना कम ये पड़े जब से मिली तेरी मोहब्बतों की ये उधारी वे मैं लुटे खड़े खड़े सीने विच यारा गल्ला तेरियां करे छेड़खानियां है
The next song is going to be the last song I play from Pritham. It's from the movie Jagga Jasoos from 2017. This movie is shot really interestingly. It's the style is like a Hollywood musical, so there's lots of songs in the movie. But this song, the lyrics are by Amitabh Bhattacharya. So hope you enjoy this one.
तुम हो यही कहीं या फिर कहीं नहीं फिर वही
So another fun fact about Arijit, he's actually has been and is currently the most followed artist on Spotify globally. So even ahead of the American and English artists, which is really cool. So the next song is going to be from the movie Roy from 2015. Music is by Amal Malik. The lyrics are by Kumar. And with Arijit is Aditi Singh Sharma singing.
मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों खुद की भी सुन ले कभी मतलबी हो जा जरा मतलबी दुनिया की सुनता है क्यों खुद की भी सुन ले कभी कुछ बात गलत ही हो जाए कुछ देर ये दिल भी खो जाए बेफिक्र धड़कने इस तरह से चले शोर गूंजे यहाँ से वहाँ सूरज डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे के मारो रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के सूरज डूबा है यारो दो घुट नशे के मारो गम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के.
So the next music director, before we move on, thank you Kanan Auntie and Minu Uncle and Joya Auntie and Rajib Uncle for listening in today. So the next music director that we will be doing today is Sanjay Leela Bhansali. So a little background about Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Arijit. So while Arijit was on Fame Gurukul, the reality singing show, Sanjay Leela Bhansali spotted his talent on the show and offered him a song to sing for his next movie, which would be released in 2007. Arijit recorded the song, but the scripts for the movie changed and his version was never released. Instead, the released version was sung by Parthiv Gohil. The song would have been his first Bollywood song. The movie was Savariya, and if you guessed it, the song was You Shabnami. So the next song is Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Arijit's first release song. This song is not just my favorite Arijit song, it's also my favorite Bollywood song. So the movie is Ram Leela from 2013, and the lyrics are by Siddharth Angarma, and the singers are Osman Mir and Altamash Faridi. So you're listening to Chankar on WMUH Allentown 91.7 FM. So feel free to the time is 8:56 a.m. Feel free to call the studio at 484-664-3456. That's 484-664-3456 to share your thoughts. And if you have a favorite Arijit song, I would love to hear what your favorite is. Hope you enjoy the next one.
मेरा नाम इश्क तेरा नाम इश्क
Thank you, Rashmi Uncle, for letting me know that you are enjoying today's program. So moving on, we're going to do one more song from Sanjay Leela Bhansali from the movie Bajrao Mastani from 2015. The lyrics are by A.M. Duraz and Nasir Faraz. Along with Arijit, we have Mujtaba Aziz Naza and Shadab Faridi and Altamash Faridi and Farhan Sabri as the other singers.
तुझे याद कर लिया है, तुझे याद कर लिया है, आयत की तरह कायम तू हो गई है, कायम तू हो गई है, रिवायत की तरह कर लिया है, मरने तलक रहेगी, मरने तलक रहेगी, तू आदत की तरह, तुझे याद कर लिया है, ओ तुझे याद कर लिया है,
Thank you, Shimanti Auntie, for calling in and letting me know that you're enjoying today's program. So, if you've been listening, today's program is all about Arijit, since he has decided to retire from Bollywood. And I also wanted to say to all the fathers listening in today, as well as my Babaji, happy early Father's Day for tomorrow. So, moving on, the next song, it's going to be, the music director is Shashwat Sachdev. So Shashwat gained a lot of fame from making the music for Dhurandhar 1 and 2, and many people might know his songs from those movies with Arijit, like Gehra Hua and Fir Se. But the next song is actually the first song they made together. It was for a Netflix show called Bads of Bollywood, and the lyrics are by Kumar.
जो इश्क पूरा मांगा तो आधा मिला, जो इश्क पूरा मांगा तो आधा मिला, न कोई भी कसम दी न वादा मिला, तू सुकून मेरा दर्द जुनून मेरा, तू ही दुआ मेरी तू ही सजा, तू पहली तू आखिरी, अधूरी सी ख्वाहिश मेरी, जिंदगी हो गई है बेवफा, तू पहली तू आखिरी, अधूरी सी ख्वाहिश मेरी, जिंदगी हो गई है बेवफा, तेरे बिना तेरे बिना
the next music director is going to be Sajid Wajid. So before the next song was released, this was the first song that Arijit did with Sajid Wajid. And before this, Arijit was almost about to be typecast as a heartbreak singer, especially because of Ashiki 2 and all of the songs on that movie. So the next song is from the movie Main Tera Hero from 2014. The lyrics are by Kausar Munir and Danish Sabri. This is also another one of my favorite Arijit songs.
देखा है तुझको जब से हाय मैं तो हिल गया लगता है मेरे सीने से दिल निकल गया देखा है तुझको जब से हाय मैं तो हिल गया लगता है मेरे सीने से दिल निकल गया मम्मी से क्या डैडी से भी मिलाऊंगा तुझे और जो भी मैं कहूँ तुझे लगता है क्यों गलत पलट तेरा ध्यान किधर है ये तेरा हीरो इधर है तेरा ध्यान किधर है ये तेरा हीरो इधर है तेरा ध्यान किधर है ये तेरा हीरो इधर है तो पलट तुझे इतनी भी खबर है कि तेरा हीरो इधर है तेरा ध्यान किधर है ये तेरा हीरो इधर है तेरा ध्यान किधर है ये तेरा हीरो इधर है
So the next song is also going to be another party Arijit song from the movie Hero Panti, another last song by Sajid Wajid, and the lyrics are by Kausar Munir, and with Arijit we have Shreya Ghoshal.
आरात भर जाए ना घर जाए ना घर तो क्या है फिक्र जाए ना घर आरात भर जाए जहां 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 दिल करे जाने कहां 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 फिर मिले इस रात में
Thank you, Daulat Melvani uncle, for calling in. I couldn't hear you, or you couldn't hear me, but thank you for calling in. I have another fun fact about Arijit. He actually also founded a local NGO in his hometown, and he runs blood donation camps and distributes clothing and books to impoverished children. And he is currently also building a massive sports facility for the youth in his hometown. So the next song is going to be from the movie Fitur from 2016. The music director is Amit Trivedi and the lyrics are by Swanand Kirkare.
जिंदगी ने की है कैसी साजिशें पूरी हुई दिल की वो फरमाइशें मांगी दुआ एक तुझ तक जा पहुंची परवरदिगारा कैसी सुनी तूने खामोशी ओ परवरदिगारा ये फितूर मेरा लाया मुझको है तेरे करीब ये फितूर मेरा रहमत तेरी ये फितूर मेरा मैंने बदला रे मेरा नसीब ये फितूर मेरा चाहत तेरी ओ परवरदिगारा
Thank you, Daulat Melvani ji, uncle. He wished all of Lehigh Valley's fathers a happy Father's Day. So, you aap sun rahe hai WMUH Allentown 91.7 FM, and the time is 9:28 a.m. for the Jankar Show. The personal support for this program is provided by the Indian American Association of the Lehigh Valley. So, if you've been listening today, I'm doing an Arijit special for his retirement from Bollywood. So I'm playing a lot of popular as well as some underrated unsune songs. So the next song, the next music director will be Shankar Ehsaan Loy. Shankar Ehsaan Loy also did a interview where they talked about Arijit, and Arijit actually worked with Shankar Ehsaan Loy as a music programmer before he started singing playback. Shankar Mahadevan has mentioned in this interview that Arijit is the only singer he's worked with that writes out all the music notes after hearing a tune, after they give him a tune to sing. And for the next song, Shankar Mahadevan recounted that Arijit sang the first line so many times until he was confident that he had got it perfect, and then only he let himself go eat lunch and take rest. So the next song is from the movie Kill Dil from 2014. The lyrics, Sanjay uncle, I'm sure you'll like this, is Gulzar, and you'll also hear Gulzar Saab saying some dialogues and poetry in the beginning of the song. The other singers other than Arijit is Nihira Joshi Deshpande.
ख्वाब ने आंखें खोली हैं क्या मोड़ आया है कहानी में वो भीग रही है बारिश में और आग लगी है पानी में
रब लब्बा पापियानू जिना चंगे काम ना चंगे लग दे ओ कीवे पिंड कजिए असी चोल पाके भी नंगे लग दे बरसों के बाद आ गया ओ फीके फीके थे दिन रात मेरे साथ मेरे छुआ तूने तो जीने का स्वाद आ गया एक तरह के आवारा थे एक तरह की आवारगी पहले भी थे अब और तरह की दीवानगी सजदे बिछावा मैं गली गली ओ गली गली ओ गली गली जिस शहर च मेरा यार वसदा कमाना पैंदा है खटके ओ इत्थे रब ना कोई उधार लब
So the next song, continuing with Shankar Ehsaan Loy, is from the movie Katyar Kalzat Khusli, which is a Marathi movie from 2015. The lyrics are by Mangesh Gangane, and the singers, along with Arijit, is Shiva Mahadevan, which is the son of Shankar Mahadevan.
सुख का त्योहार मिले डमरू के ताल सुख का त्योहार मिले डमरू के ताल करे दुख पीड़ा पार जटाधारी शिव भोला भंडारी 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 सुख का त्योहार मिले डमरू के ताल करे दुख पीड़ा पार जटाधारी शिव भोला भंडारी 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 शिव भोला भंडारी.
The next song is going to be continuing. The last song I'll play from Shankar Ehsaan Loy. The lyrics are by Varun Grover, and the other singer is Shreya Ghoshal, and the movie is Prithvi Raj from 2022.
पहली दफा जो मिली है ये शाम है बावली सी तू साथ है तो पिया जी रेते भी है मखमली सी
पहली दफा जो मिली है ये शाम है बावली सी तू साथ है तो पिया जी रेतें भी है मखमली सी
तस्वीर से बाहर तू यूं आया है तू यूं आया तस्वीर से बाहर सामने
ये अंबर नदियाँ सब मन की गलियाँ हाँ अंबर नदियाँ मन की गलियाँ सब हो गए मखमली मखमली प्यार तेरा मखमली.
So the next song is super interesting. So Arijit was actually this movie's music director. So all the songs and background music was composed by Arijit. I was researching the background of how this happened, and it's really interesting. So Arijit loved an indie film produced by Gunit Monga. So he reached out to her and asked her to let him try composing if she was ever making a similar movie with a similar vibe. So Gunit was producing for Paglet and asked him to give them 4 sample songs. Since this was during quarantine, he set up a makeshift recording studio in his house and recorded the entire album, which turned into 24 songs. And he featured a lot of new female singers instead of asking like established singers. So this song, the lyrics are by Nilesh Mishra, and the singer along with Arijit is Himani Kapoor. So I hope you enjoy this one, music written by Arijit.
थोड़े हम कम अभी
The next final music director we're going to do today is A.R. Rahman. So this next song is from the Tamil movie I, but this song was dubbed in Hindi, and A.R. Rahman chose Arijit to sing this song. And the lyrics are by Irshad Kamil, and the other singer with Arijit is Shreya Ghoshal.
संग चले सभी गुल अपना है ये ख्याल अपना है ये ख्याल तू चले संग चले सभी गुल अपना है ये ख्याल अपना है ये ख्याल है ऐसा लगे वहाँ रोज खिले गुल जहाँ तेरा आना जाना है ऐसा लगे गुल गलती से बन गए रब ने था तुझे बनाना ये महका मौसम हुस्न का आलम है तेरी ही परछाई अपना है ये ख्याल अपना है ये ख्याल तू चले संग चले सभी गुल अपना है ये ख्याल अपना है ये ख्याल
देना दिलदाने ना देना दिलदाने ना देना दिलदाने ना तेरे गाना देना दिलदाने ना
So the next song is going to be continuing with A.R. Rahman. This is from the movie Ponniyin Selvan 2 from 2023. The lyrics are by Gulzar. And along with Arijit, we have Benny Dayal and Naibla Maan.
ये तो होता ही आया है होता रहेगा हरदम करना लड़ना जंग होगी जोखम जंग में होगी बर्बादियां होगी सितम जाले भरी रात जब बीत जाएगी तो बंद होगी जहां होगी सुबह जालों के रेशम से सुबह बुनेंगे सुबह तो होनी थी होगी होगी सुबह
खोलो खोलो ये गगन सूर्य को जगाना है पीठ पर जमाना है ज़मीं संभालना नहीं और बाकी सब ये पुराना है खोलो खोलो ये गगन सूर्य को जगाना है पीठ पर जमाना है ज़मीं संभालना नहीं है सुबह भी नहीं और बाकी सब ये पुराना है
नींद में आकाश की सोएगा जागे 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 जल जंगल जंगलों के पत्ते पे जगी शबनम पूरी जमीन जागी रे जागी सुनहरी सुनहरी जागी
हाथ दो हाथ में तुम जो हो साथ में धूप से मांझी है ये ज़मीं सांझी है रोशनी लाया हूँ जिंदगी लाया हूँ
So, we wish Arijit all the best in his future endeavors as an independent artist. And after learning so much about him, I'm confident that he already has what it takes to be successful. Before signing off, this is Rujula Deshmukh, and I would like to thank you all for tuning in, along with our Chankar team for their support. Hope you all enjoyed today's program. So the last song will be from Amar Singh Chamkila from 2024. We're ending with the last A.R. Rahman song. The lyrics are Irshad Kamil, and the singer along with Arijit is Jonita Gandhi.
मैनू विदा करो जी अब विदा करो मेरे यारा मैनू विदा करो मैनू विदा करो जी मैंने जाना है उस पार तुम सभी साफ सही हूँ मट मैला मैं तुम सभी पाक मगर पाप का दरिया मैनू विदा करो जी अब विदा करो मेरे यार
फिर मिलेंगे फिर कभी बाय
झूठ भला क्यों बोलोगे तुम सब सच कहते हो मेरी नहीं है दुनिया जिसमें तुम सब रहते हो साथ तुम्हारे और रहूं मैं मेरा तो मन था सच है यहाँ पे जो भी बुरा था मेरे कारण था मैनू विदा करो जी अब विदा करो मेरे यार